Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to get onto Brightspace, specifically onto Miss MacLeod's SNC1P or Grade 9 Applied Science. So what you do is you go into Google, you type into Office 365 login, you click it, and it's going to ask you for your credentials. So you're going to use your school username and password to get in. Okay, if you're having any trouble or you don't have it, please email me. Once you're into Office, you click the waffle and you click Brightspace. Now if it's not showing here, you go to All Apps and then you just look for it. It's orange. There we go. There we go. And this is just the home page. Click the waffle here and then you click SNC1P. And it's going to bring you to our Brightspace. Now you can see here in the announcements, I put down every single thing we do for the day. So for example, Tuesday we did energy flow, photosynthesis, and cellular respiration note. So if this was the day that you missed, these numbers out here mean Unit 2, Lesson 2. Okay, so if that was the one you missed, if you click into content, all the notes, videos, everything that we watch or do are located under the icon for the content. So if you click Unit 2, 2.2, okay, and you can see the photosynthesis note, the energy note. All you do is click into it. It will download and you can bring it up. Okay, and then you just copy onto your hard copy. Now if you don't have a printer, that's okay. I have all hard copies available in the class. So you can pick them up, you can take it home, you can go on to Brightspace and fill it all in. The other nice thing about this is if you're away, you can click into what we're doing and you can read over, at least read over what we've done. So when you come, you're not so behind. And then I can give you any hard copies that you need. Okay. All right. I think that's it. So if you have any questions, please send me an email and I'll be happy to give you a hand. Okay, and this is a great way to keep caught up with the class and hand in any missing work. All right. Have a great day.